Okay. Hi, I am Sumit Bhandari and I welcome you all to this session. Today we have a question here which is one of the most important question as per the CAT level examination point of view. So let's begin with the question and we'll try to find as simple solution as possible. So first read out the question. The question says if the population of a town is P in the beginning of any year, then it becomes 3 plus 2P in the beginning of the next year. If the population in the beginning of 2019 is 1000, then the population in the beginning of year 2034 will be. And there are four options given to us. So friends, before proceeding directly to the solution of this question, let me try to explain one thing over here. See, according to the question, we have given the population of year 2019 as 1000. Now, according to question, if population of any town is P in the beginning, then in the next year or in the consecutive year, the population will be 3 plus 2B form, in the 3 plus 2P form. So here also we can see that if the population of year 2009 is 1000, then population of the next year, that is 2020, will be in the format of 3 plus 2P, 3 plus 2P, where P will be 1000, which is the population of the previous year of 2020, which is given to us, and that's 1000. So after calculation, we will get 3 plus 2000, which is equal to 2003. So I hope this is clear to you all. Now, likewise, if I talk about the population of year 2021, what will happen? Again, I will get the population in the format of 3 plus 2P, where P will be the population of year 2020, which is previous year of 2021. So here we can see that 3 plus 2P, this P becomes population of the year 2020, which is being calculated by us, and that's 2003. So from here, after calculation, we will get 3 plus 2 into 2003, which is equal to 4006, and after adding we will get 4009, which is equal to the population of year 2021. Okay, and likewise we will calculate the population of the year 2034, which is actually asked in the question. But here is a problem, which is what exactly I would like to convey you. If I would like to calculate the population at the beginning of year 2034, I can calculate likewise, like at the beginning of 2019 it is given to us, which is 1000 people. In 2020 we already calculated, which is equal to 2003. In 2021 again we calculated, which is equal to 4009, and likewise we can calculate total number of population in the beginning of year 2034, which is asked in the question. But the problem here is that when we go through the options, we can see that there is no any numerical data like 4009, 2003 is given to us in the options. In fact, in options there are some patterns, like stuff is given to us. These are something, the answer is something in a pattern like structure. So to answer this question, we need to find the pattern. So let's begin with it. How to find the pattern? Let's see. Okay, so let's start the solution of this question and we'll try to find out the pattern, and then we can easily give the answers. So here it says population of the first year, let it be P, which is equal to the population of year 2019, and given to us, that is 1000. Now the question arises, why I am taking population of first year is equal to population of year 2019? Because here in the question it says if the population in the beginning of 2019 is 1000, that means this is our starting point. This is the point, this is a year where we have to start counting, and then we have to give the answer. Then we have to give the population of beginning of year 2034. So our first year is 2019. Okay, so the population of first year is equal to P, which is equal to the population of the year 2019, and which in turn is given to us equal to 1000. Now, what about population of second year? according to question, it must be in the format of 3 plus 2p, where p is the population of the previous year. So in first year population is p, then in second year population will be 3 plus 2p, where this p is exactly the p which is of the population of the beginning of first year. Now let's proceed to the population of the third year, which will be again in the format of 3 plus 2p, where p will be equal to the population of second year, which is 3 plus 2p. So here this population is again in the format of 3 plus 2p, but p here is the population of year 2020, which is second year. Now after solving this, 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 2 into 2 into p, we will get 3 plus 6 plus 2p, which is equal to 9 plus it's 2 into 2, which is equal to 9 plus 4p. And here we go. So we can see that if the population of first year is p, then population of second year must be 3 plus 2p. Likewise, the population of third year will be 9 plus 4p. Let's find 2 or 3 more here to get easily the pattern what exactly we are seeking for. So population of fourth year will become again in the format of 3 plus 2p, where p must be the population of the third year, which is equal to 9 plus 4p. So by putting the value of p is equal to 9 plus 4p in place of 3 plus 2p, we will get the population of fourth year. Let's see. 3 plus 2 into 9 plus 4p. 3 plus 2 into 9, 18, plus 2 into 4, 8p. 18 plus 3, 21. That means 21 plus 8p, which is the population of fourth year. Likewise, let's again calculate the population of fifth year, which will be again in the format of 3 plus 2p, where p must be equal to the population of fourth year, which is 21 plus 8p. So 3 plus 2 into 21 plus 8p, which is equal to 3 plus 2 into 21, 42, plus 2 into 8, 16p, which is equal to 3 plus 42, that means 45 plus 16p. And here it is, which is equal to the population of year 2023. So likewise, we can manually calculate what will be the population in the year 2034. But what is 16th year here? See, the population of first year is equal to population of year 2019, because we are considering 2019 as first year. Likewise, 2020 is second year, 21 is third year, 22 is fourth, 23 is fifth. Likewise, if you manually calculate on your fingers, you will get year 2034 will be 16th year. And this is very important and remarkable point we have to remember. The population of year 2020 to 2034 will be 16th year as per our solution. Okay, let's proceed to the next. Now let's find the pattern and hence find the general term to give the answer. See, and I hope up to this point everything is crystal clear to you all. Okay, let's proceed for the next. And what I am doing here, I have just wrote the values which I found in the last slide. That means in first year, in the first year the population were p, second year it was 3 plus 2p, third year 9 plus 4p, at the fourth year it was 21 plus 8p, at fifth year it was 45 plus 16p, and likewise I need to find the population at the beginning of 16th year, which is equal to the population at the year of 2034, which is asked in the question. So I just wrote these things in the tabular form here. Likewise, so in the first year population is p, second year 3 plus 2p, third year 9 plus 4p, and likewise in the fifth year, in the beginning of fifth year, it was 45 plus 16p. And why I have done this? Because by the help of this particular tabular form or arrangement, I may be easily able to find out the general term for this question, or I can understand the pattern easily from this particular arrangement. Okay, let's see. Here we have some terms. Okay, so what we should do is, you can see that here we have 45 plus 16p, 21 plus 8p, 4p, second p, and only p. So here I can say that it's 2 ki power 2 minus 1p, because it's second year. I'm just trying to find the pattern, na? So I've just started randomly from second year. I might have started from third year, from fourth year, or fifth year also. It totally depends on me, but I have just started from second year. Here I can write 4p as 2 ki power 3 minus 1 into p. Is it so? It would be equal to 2 square p, which is in turns is equal to 4p. And this is 4p here. Okay, so this pattern works. See, here I can write this is fourth year, na, at the beginning of fourth year, so I can write here 2 ki power 4 minus 1 into p, which is equal to 2 ki power 3p, which in turns is equal to 2 cube means 8p. Okay, let's check it here also. This is population at the beginning of fifth year, so I can write it like 2 ki power 5 minus 1 into p, which is equal to 2 ki power 4p, which is equal to 16p. So here also I can see that it's first year, so I can write it like 2 ki power 1 minus 0 into p, which is equal to 2 ki power, sorry, it's not 0, it should be 1 minus 1 into p, which in turns is equal to 2 ki power 0p, and finally would be equal to p, which exactly I was seeking for. So here this pattern works. So what I can do is, I'm getting pattern here is that 2 ki power n minus 1 into p, where n is number of year for which the population at the beginning I am talking about, or I am seeking for. Like in fifth year I wrote 2 ki power 5 minus 1 into p, which is equal to 2 ki power 4p, which is equal to 16p. So I am successfully found the pattern of the second term. Now let's come to the pattern of first term. See, here it is 45, here it's 0 plus p, it's 3 plus p, 9, 21 and 45. I can write it 3, I can write it 3 into 3, I can write it 3 into 7, that means 3 is common in every term. 3 into 15. Here also I can write 3 into 0. Okay, so it's 3 into 1, 0, 1 and then 3 and then 7 and then 15. Now the only thing I have to do is just I have to find out the pattern how 0, 1, 3, 7 and 15 is coming here. Now I just need to find out the relationship between 0 and first year, 1 and second, 3 and third, 7 and fourth, 15 and 5. So I can tell you one thing, like see, here it's 3 and it is third year. Can I write it like 2 ki power 3 minus 1? Now it becomes how much? 2 square, which is equal to 4. But I want 3 here, so just subtract 1 from here. So I will get here 3. Will it work? Let's check it in the fourth year also. I'm randomly taking any year to find out the pattern. Now, this is not very fixed that first of all I have to take third year only, then I will go to the fourth year. It's not like that. It's up to you. Here also it's 7. Now, can I write it like 2 ki power 4? 2 ki power 4 minus 1, which is equal to 2 cube, which is equal to 8. But I want 7 here. Just subtract 1 from here and 3 is already given. Let's check it in second year also. 3 into 2 ki power 2 minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to 2 minus 1. 2 ki power 2 minus 1 means 2, and then 2 minus 1 is 1. I will get 3 into 1 here. Likewise here also I can write it 3 into 2 ki power, it's fifth year, so I can write it here 2 ki power 5 minus 1 and then minus 1, which is equal to 3 into 2 ki power 4 minus 1. 2 ki power 4 means 2 to the 4, 2 to 8, 2 to 16, 16 minus 1, it's 15. So I'll get here 3 into 15, which I was seeking for. Here also it will work obviously. 3 into 2 की power 3 into 2 की power 1 minus 1 minus 1. Now we can see that it will be equal to 3 into 2 की power 0 minus 1. That means 3 into 1 minus 1, which is equal to 3 into 0. So I'll get here only P. So now I can write it like first term. For the first term I can write it like 3 into 2 की power n minus 1 minus 1, where n is the number of year of the beginning of which I am going to find out the total number of population. And for the next term also already I have found the pattern here, which is equal to plus 2 into n minus 1 into P. So actually this is the pattern which I was seeking for. See, so this was the pattern which actually I was seeking for to give the answer to this question as per the given options. Okay, and in this pattern or in this general form, what is n? N is the year of which we need to find the population. Okay, so what's next? We already know that population of 16th year is the population of the year 2034, which we need to find out, because in the question it is asked that find the population in the beginning of year 2034. If 2019 was the first year, then 2034 was the 16th year. We already calculated it. So just what we have to do here, what we need to do here is that we just need to put the value of n is equal to 16 in the general term we found just before, which is equal to 3 bracket में 2 की power n minus 1 minus 1 plus 2 की power n minus 1 into P. Now let's put out the value. What we will get? 3 into 2 की power 16 minus 1 by putting the value of n is equal to 16 here, which in turn is equal to 3 की power 3 into 2 की power 15 minus 1 plus 2 की power 15 into P. This is the exact calculation we are going to do. Now here we can see that when I'll multiply 3 inside, what I'll get? 3 into 2 की power 15 minus 3 plus 2 की power 15 into P. Now in this term, let us try to simplify it. What we can do is we can just take 2 की power 15 common from these two terms. Let's see what we'll get. We will get 2 की power 15 3 plus P minus 3. Okay, so now what is P here? What is P here? Population of the first year. And what was the first year we assumed in this particular question? That was 2019, year 2019, of which population is given to us already, which is equal to 1000. So now putting the value of P is equal to 1000 in this equation, what we will get? We will get here 2 की power 15 into 3 plus 1000 minus 3. When we will solve it, we will get it as 2 की power 15 bracket में 1003 minus 3. Now let's go to the option. So we can see that option number C is the right answer of this question. Okay, so thank you. And one more thing I would like to ask you all, that if you want your doubts to be solved by me, so just send me the correct question or image of that question in the comment box and I'll try my best to solve it. So thank you very much. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.